Hello, this is Morteza Kurdi, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how to download the required stuff in order to create Android applications. If you want to create Android applications, you need to download the SDK packages. So SDK stands for Software Development Kit. So we need to download the Software Development Kit packages if you want to actually create Android apps. So here you just need to open the Android Studio, and here at the bottom it says configure. Just click on it, and here we have SDK Manager. Click on SDK Manager. So first you can see this window opens for you. At the bottom it says show package details. Just check this checkbox. So for this course, I actually recommend you that you download the Android 8.0 Oreo API and Android 7.1.1 Nougat. Okay, so most of the times we are going to actually target the Android 8.0, but some other times you may want to actually target Android 7.1.1 because some APIs may not be compatible with Android 8. And I am going to later in this course I am going to show you how you can differentiate between Android 8 and other versions of Android operating system. So for this course, I actually just recommend you that you download the Android 7 Nougat SDK packages and Android 8. So in order to download these packages, you just need to check this checkbox that is up beside this API, for example, Android 7. And here you can see these package details. You don't have to download all of these packages here. So for example, Android SDK platform is required, sources for Android 25, and we don't have to download the Android TV Intel x86 add-on system image. So we can actually uncheck this checkbox. We have this one, China version of Android Wear, because we are not going to actually create Android applications for Android Wear in this course. Maybe I will actually create another course for this specific topic, but in this course we are going to only target Android mobiles and tablets, Android operating system. So we have Android Wear. Again, we don't want to download these packages. We have Google APIs ARM. So these two packages, Google APIs ARM and this one EABI, these two packages are for the computers that run, for example, CPUs other than Intel. For example, you may have an AMD CPU. So here you can actually download these two packages, and if you have an Intel CPU, you need to download these packages: Google APIs Intel x86 and Google APIs again Intel x86 add-on. And we have this one, Google Play Intel x86 add-on system image. So you need to download this package also. So these are the required packages that I actually checked. And for Android 8 Oreo, you need to download Android SDK Platform 26, sources for Android 26, and you don't have to download Android TV Intel system image. And we have this one, Google APIs Intel x86 add-on system image and Google APIs Intel x86 add-on underlying 64 system image, and this one, Google Play Intel x86 add-on system image. So make sure to download these free packages too. And when you check these checkboxes at the bottom, if you want to download these packages, you just need to click on apply. When you click on apply, it's going to actually show you this dialog that says the following components will be installed, and you just need to click on OK, and it's going to start downloading the packages for you. And here at the top we have SDK tools. So if I click on SDK tools, you can see some other packages. And these are the required packages that you need to install on your computer: Android SDK build tools, and you can see Android emulator, Android SDK platform tools. So let's actually check this checkbox that says show package details. So here you can see the Android SDK build tools that I actually installed. But for Android Oreo, you need to install this one, 26.0.0, or for example all of these packages that starts with 26. For Android Nougat, you need to install the packages that starts with 25. And we have also API 27 that for now we don't want to actually target because it's not as complete as Android Oreo or Android Nougat. And we have also this one, so let me show you this. So I already told you that you need to install these packages. Make sure to download and install Android support library and Android SDK tools. We have GPU debugging tools, Google Play APK extension library, revision 3, Google Play licensing library, revision 2, Google Play services, and we have Google WebDriver. We have this one, Intel x86 emulator accelerator. So if you have an Intel CPU, in order to actually accelerate the speed of your emulator, it's actually really good to install this package. In other words, I think it's necessary to install this package if you have an Intel CPU. So Intel x86 emulator accelerator Haxum installer. And this one, support repository, is very important. Make sure to install this package. We have constraint layout for Android. Make sure to install this package, constraint layout for Android, solve for constraint layout, Android support repository, and Google repository. These are the very important packages that you need to install if you want to create Android applications in this course. So when you select these packages, you just need to click on apply, and then you just need to click on OK in order to download them. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lecture.